Hey, whoa, upgrade from QuickBooks POS to Shopify point of sale. Making the switch from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. Well, if you operate a store and use QuickBooks point of sale, you might be considering switching to Shopify POS. After all, Shopify is one of the most popular e-commerce systems on the market, and its point of sale system is elegant and simple to use. But before you take the plunge, there are a few things that you should know. Here's a brief rundown of the primary differences between QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS. Let's have a look at the pricing structure. Well, the price structure is one of the most significant distinctions between QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS because QuickBooks Point of Sale charges an enormous fee in the hundreds or actually thousands of dollars for each register you own. Shopify, however, charges a single small monthly cost that includes an unlimited number of users and registers. That's a game changer, I tell you folks. If you want to save money, wow, without sacrificing that functionality, Shopify is a way to go. Click on the link in the description to have all of your questions addressed on whether it fits you. We'll now go through a little bit about payment processing costs. There's another significant distinction on how the processing of costs are handled. QuickBooks charges actually a variable fee for each credit card transaction, depending on how the processor decides to classify that card. So you never know, depending on who's walking in your store. Shopify, on the other hand, provides a simple payment processing system that is the same every time and charges a single flat price. This might make a major impact if you're selling a lot of items or services and need to keep track of everything. All right, folks, next we're going to compare that ease of use. Both QuickBooks POS and Shopify POS, well, they're pretty simple to use. However, some consumers found that Shopify is slightly easier to use than QuickBooks POS software. This might be because Shopify has a more simplified checkout process and somewhat more intuitive overall navigation. Also, most users use Shopify POS on an iPad, really. This works well. You don't have to worry about if your computer needs an update or it turned off overnight or something's wrong with it or it won't start up. Who knows? iPads, they don't catch viruses. They're always just prepared. There are a few things to consider, though, before switching from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS. Like we mentioned, there's the price structure, the payment processing costs, and the convenient use of it all. Overall, when you think about these things and converting from QuickBooks POS to Shopify POS, it's a rather simple procedure, but if you're ready to do it and check it out and explore it, set up a demonstration by clicking on the link in the description.